Happy Monday!
Woohoo!
So we just secured our storage unit. It's right in downtown.
It's happening.
It's happening.
We leave in 13 days, so we're gonna start slowly packing away things we don't need in the apartment this week and moving them over starting Friday to the storage unit and hopefully renting out our place before then.
Just went up on Craigslist today.
Yep, we got a little desperate moving our stuff out regardless, but we figure even if like we have to pay another month or something, hopefully they still rent it out while we're gone. So we're clearing the apartment out and hoping for the best. Cleaning out my closet. I'm doing really well. I'm having a little date night. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you gonna react to that?
Nice call.
It really clears everything out. It's our first time finally trying La Cha Cha Cha. Came out lightning fast. Very excited about it. Okay, our final dish. We got tacos.
Mushrooms,
Yeah.
oil, salad.
Chorizo?
That's chorizo.
Yeah, that looks like chorizo. I think you're right. Yum. They look amazing.
Thursday morning, week flew by.
Oh my gosh, when's the last time we even recorded?
Last night.
Dinner. Got our chlorophyll water.
My coffee, we have our sweaters on, a couple different sweaters. She's got her bed sweater. I got my golf sweater.
Are you insinuating that you're right for the day and I'm still in my pajamas?
No.
Because I have workout shorts on.
Oh,
I'm halfway ready.
ready to go.
I'm just cold.
It's better to sleep cold than hot.
Oh, yeah.
You get under the covers.
I agree, but I hate waking up and getting out of bed in the cold. So I wish there was some sort of invention where it could be really cold at night and then you wake up and it's a perfect 75. Oh,
That's
it's
why I
called a
make
timer.
sweaters.
And it's called turn the AC off before it's
it's
time for
called-
bed.
Oh, there is that.
There
You don't
is
need
that.
to invent it.
It exists.
We've had the Nest for so long and you haven't set the timer yet.
Yeah, because you won't let me.
That's false.
I just don't know how to.
You connect your phone to it. It's on your phone.
It's too late for that. We move out next week.
We move out next week. We actually have to start packing today. And then we start moving out. Like move out. This apartment is coming to a close.
I'm really sad.
We've outgrown it though.
I know, but it's such, I love this apartment, but it served its purpose. I looked back on our apartment hunting vlog the other day, and we clearly said in it, we're looking for an apartment for 8 months because we're going to Europe this summer. So I need to remind myself
There
that
we go.
I've been in the mindset of leaving it since we got it. I didn't expect to love it so much. We packed tonight, pack tomorrow, move it to storage tomorrow. Saturday we're gonna do a beach day for a little bit. We also have to be responsible about what we have to get done. Sunday, family day. Also moving stuff back and forth from Rancho. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday will be like closing out everything else because then he has the golf tournament Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Which is a little inconvenient for moving purposes, but it is what it is.
It's been on the calendar for
I know.
family calendar.
I know. I've been aware of it. Doesn't make it any less inconvenient for moving purposes.
This is true. Just the tone
And
came off a
then
little bit.
we
first meeting.
leave Sunday morning at 6 a.m.
Santa's coming to town.
So it's gonna go by really fast.
But we plan to be out, yeah, Monday,
Next
Tuesday, Wednesday are
Wednesday.
going to be like moving days because we want to be completely out. Not,
We have to be out. Yeah, because he'll be golfing all day the next 3
what's
days.
going to stay? Just our bed?
How could it though? You're gonna be golfing. What, am I gonna move the bed by myself on the 20th? No. We're gonna see what's gonna work. We'll figure it out.
All right, I got to go golfing.
Perfect.
I got to get ready. That's the calendar too.
No.
Love you. Love you guys. Cheers.
Got the little plastic wrap, sofa protectors. And then we do a little easy patch. Easy. Should be fun.
Okay, part of the packing process, I am going to be going through all of this, trying to be like very picky and poshmarking things I absolutely know I don't need. There's so much on this rolling rack that hasn't even really like been thought about to shoot. I'm just like, you know, staring at it knowing I'm not gonna wear it. So time to get started. I'm also going to be going through like, I have so many shorts and things that I feel like I always hold on to that again aren't being worn, but getting rid of things I know it's time to get rid of and getting them to you guys and getting them in storage. Brian just made a good point. Once we're away from his stuff for 4 months, we're gonna come back to it and it's gonna be easier to purge again because we're gonna be like, oh, I forgot we even had this. Why do we have this? Which is what we just did at my mom's house in Rancho. We were like, why do we have all this stuff in this garage? We don't need any of this stuff. I just filled out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. We have 1 left and we have a heck of a lot more of apartment to pack.
Close.
No. Why?
Please use other door.
Oh, we can do
You just
that.
gotta read.
Oh, okay.
That might work.
Look at this. Oh,
I just broke your bottle.
I was so excited about
I know
this
you were.
bottle. I'm very sad.
Oh, jeez.
Darn. I'm meant to be.
You're so excited.
I'm really sad.
I feel bad.
It was so cute. It says wear sunscreen in blue.
We're
There's
gonna wear
never
it this
been a more
weekend.
me water bottle. So use the other door.
I'm so sorry.
Good morning.
I always meet like this. I'm in the same outfit as yesterday.
That's her morning sweater.
It's just so comfy when the house is so cold. It's the first thing I put on.
It's your Monday through Friday morning sweater.
What about Saturday, Sunday?
Oh, it's an everyday morning sweater.
Well, sometimes.
And it's moving day.
Moving day.
Our place is a mess.
We completely disheveled it yesterday and I stupidly, naively thought 8 boxes was gonna be more than enough. Didn't even make a dent.
We made a dent.
I guess it made a dent, but it's like all the stuff that was in cupboards you can't see, so it looks no different outside.
Yeah. So we get our public storage spot today, which is a stone's throw away. I think I can throw a football over that mountain over there and hit it. Let's get to morning drinks first.
I have to do my morning routine or I'm just not set up for success.
Morning drinks, morning music, morning emails, and morning text messages.
And a workout.
Well, the workout's going to be moving those boxes.
Okay.
We are packed to the brim. You can't tell.
I think you can. No space. heading to our very first trip to the storage unit. It's funny because I feel like as much as we were like hounding them for storage at our place, we could have just gone a tiny little baby.
It was right here. We could have got tiny little for like
baby
60 bucks.
thing, yeah.
It'd been perfect.
Hindsight, we should have got a little storage unit to begin with to alleviate the stress of having packed closets. You know, you live and you learn. Now we know how easy it is and how close it is, and we're off to start to fill our little 10 by 10.
It may not look like it.
Well, we got rid of a lot. We packed a lot of stuff today. We did 4 trips, 4 carpools.
We got all that to drink tonight.
I want Cucchiano from Italy. I have to go restock it next week.
Quick update, we are going to Charlie's Beach and our own stomping grounds for a beautiful Saturday beach day.
It is a beautiful day. It's already...
You are beautiful.
Imagine we had this much space the entire time.
Yeah, right.
You got more clothes than me now.
Easy.